Hello, welcome, I'm Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little sound demonstration video for you. It's to accompany one of the listings I have on my Etsy shop, and it's for this rather lovely drum just here. So this is a buffalo skin drum. It's on a 16-inch ashwood frame. It's got quite lovely markings on here. There's a little bit of hair still visible on the skin there, which is quite nice. And it's got a nice mix between the milky white and the translucence. It's quite a thick skin, so it's going to give a nice thick deep sound. On the back here, most gorgeous, let me get that up close. It's a gorgeous branch handle. Now I think this is holly. I foraged some holly last year, and this is gorgeous. It's got such a lot of features and gnarly bits in it. I just love that. It's just Mother Nature at its best. Okay, so that's the handle. It's rather comfortable as well. It's not uncomfortable, despite the fact it's so gnarly. The frame is ashwood, as I said. I've burnt that on the inside of the frame, ashwood and buffalo skin. So you've always got a reference of those energies that go up to make the drum, and also the date when the drum was birthed, which in this case was the 17th of November 2022 in Knighton Powys, UK, and that's to allow you to look at the energies that were around on that day when this drum was birthed and moving forwards into the future. Also, Driftwood Hollow Drums, my maker's mark, is in there, and I think I've also put a medicine wheel. Yeah, I put a medicine wheel in there as well, just for fun. So let's have a little listen to the sound, which is the most important thing. Here we go, this is a softer beater. Beautiful. And then the firmer beater, if I can find it in here, there we go. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're buying online and you're looking for your shamanic drum. It's great to be able to hear, and that's why I make these little videos. So, I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.